Hi, my name is Xilin Cai. Today I'd like to give you a presentation about my MA pathway. My presentation is divided into three parts. First, I will explain the feature of innovation and service. Then, I will talk about the importance of service design in today's society. Finally, I mention that why I choose service design. I will start off by explaining the features of service design. Service design is a systematic thinking. Some people may ask what is system thinking? For example, the offering made by organization, the products, physical and digital service we want arrive in much the same way. The outermost wrapping is behavior, manner, and the tone of the staff member we are dealing with. Under this is a layer of subject and the system expertise made of that person's or system's knowledge of the offering and operation. There is a layer of process carried out by staff, for example, the sales or refund routines. Next, we have the system and the tools run by the organization, logistic systems, billing and point of sale systems. And at the core is the offering itself, like a telephone contract or a pair of running shoes. We can perceive that system is a dynamic and changing. We must first analyze the dynamic in the system, including dynamic holders and also dynamic systems factories and the inference. Though research, their primary and secondary relationship in the text representation are systematically developed. A system has its own growth and day stage due to the nature organized. We want to study their stage, development, trained development. Our systematic research understanding is always one side, just like a blind man touching an elephant. We can only understand what is the current system like at this stage. As a designer displaying, it is focused on solving the right problem by framing the problem or opportunity in the right way. So, service design usually starts by investigating the needs of the user or customer. It is inquiring and inquisitive, using a range of mostly qualitative research methods to explore how and why of the opportunity space, understanding needs instead of jumping straight to a solution, make true innovation possible. When we talk about the importance of service design in today's society, we have to admit that the importance of service is to every business is becoming more and more obvious. Many businesses turn their innovation to service. They attempt to meet the multi-layered needs of users, not just impress with flash new ads or product extensions. So, today's company look for ways to understand the needs of their customers in a way that will provide useful insight and spark interesting ideas. Many organizations are looking for an effective way of working which make it easy for people with different backgrounds and responsibilities to work together, meaningful and productive. Let's move on to why I choose service design. One of the reasons is that I think service design is an intensely practical and pragmatic activity, and this makes it inherently holistic. This requires designers to master the activities and the business process in the bank back office and needs to handle the end-to-end, front-to-end experience of multiple stakeholders. Consider not only how the service design is experienced, but how the service is delivered, far beyond the visible, challenging, and reshaping everything from operations to business module. Second, compared to the fine form, the core of service design is to create emotional connections so that the relationship between users and the participants is closer and the users can enjoy the overall service process more. As an empathetic person, such a subject fits my expectations. All in all, service design is a meaningful discipline that benefits the development of the world and the individuals and makes society healthier and better. Thank you for listening.